Off the way from the track, Chris. Pay attention. They're coming. Eric. Here they come. That truck justified. That truck justified coming around. It looks like even right now. That was Jimmy Miles out of Gillen, Alabama, driving the justified, driving that truck. Looks like we got Jerry.